Kaboom, Bubezi. 7 minutes past 8. It's okay. All right. Oh, we could do that. That's also fine.
Wrong.
All this time music's been playing, you don't khohlola. You khohlola hare tsantsirbu.
Shaka kunjani prom?
Sharp njani?
Ekumnandi let's do it. Wonke umuntu unebrief ukuthi gqoka impahla zesikolo ngitshelwanga mina. Wawugqoka ihembe lesikolo.
Because last time nakwekilemo you were complaining about my t-shirt urinyana ke.
Nice wena you look nice ufake ihembe lakho le student prints. Lincane mara uyalibona lincane le hembe.
Borela bodipa.
Belo bukahle kwela amakhotmana nespono yazi amakhotmana segazi lawo nespono.
You have no choice. No choice.
Ungaba nespono umdala kangaka cabanga usohlele namajit enespono mokwata siyafufutheka nazo.
Pinocchio yasebhono.
But and then Lona
wamujoyina lo.
But how you prank? Unespono can you want it? Ufaka ama specs lapho unespono une problem and lama specs akho yabona i3D unokusibeka uthi mara idolo lomuntu lelo. Ngathi udiscope manje amathambo awahlafuna ngivela wagwinya nje. Unespono nje I am nice dog nice. Ukubona ube nomkhaba ube nespono une 2 years into ezirong life.
Not a style. What's it up? I'm so busy now. You've been busy week. Don't you get tired?
No, I don't. Hello. I was not here last week. I'm happy. I'm back, Joe. Yo, khumutsa now na makeup. Kwenzakalani manje? Pop makangekho kwenzakala. Khumutsa ngathi ipo yazi unokuvuka. Bebe umuntu akho unokuvucina ngathi yo.
Don't laugh so much.
Uzoyena ndawo ngithi amajita, ethi ngikhuluma namajita. Ubuso bakho ngathi amajita nje.
I get a joiner. That's what happens. How does it feel now?
Mama makeup serious ngathi ubuya emadayisini yazi serious. Ujeka nje. Awuchaka novuthi. Yo. Impact wala ma out hayi. Kingwana out waphupha. Oh sorry baby. Kingwana. Akubona kiri u disguise. How disguise unje vele.
Oh wow. Are you going to the derby by the way?
No, I'm not. I'm going to Newcastle.
Yeah?
I'm going to Newcastle.
What's happening in Newcastle?
I may travel in Newcastle. Asiyeke dabe Newcastle. Asikhulume ngalo buso balomuntu.
Tamuthusa.
Wena. Yo. Unjeka vele mongana makeup. Endiyasithusa khomuntu. Umunye lala ngemakeup. Angayizulu. Avuka kuseni kuba ngathi penny. Umuntu ngathi actor ku Batman. Batman and Robin.
So this is how much you missed me.
Yeah, I missed everyone.
I can see.
Like I see, like that's my boy. The rhythm sessions. You know these boys they play jam. But the music is expensive. Like DJ was selection labo. I love. Laba music I think pin. Music kafango expensive yabo. Anga Edson langazo or bayamboleka. Lama vinyl lomntwana. Edson.
Wow.
Edson ngabe kuthiwa kune bench ku DJ ngabe use benchini namanje. Ayiyadlala ihash lo mntwana. Edson horses of horses ngiyadlala.
Oh yeah.
Ifamo yamzama, yazi yamzama. Lokufaka dlala ngawanwana. Mathi hash uyayivala ufanga fakenye. Ambheke kabuhlungu. Edson labantu abadlala kuba baby shower. Arandaba nemix ku baby shower kuyadlalwa nje.
What's wrong with this guy?
I don't know what's wrong with this dude. Oh wow.
I'm happy Joey. Bengekho last week. Yo, ziningi ezenzakala ngekho. Mara ngisakhuluma ngeteam yama response sakho mfana. Siyanqoba serious. Unespono cabanga ispono sa kahle kuhleli phezulu kweChesper.
I think we should go to traffic. I feel like we need to check on traffic.
Ispono saka kahle. Ilezo nokusifaka isalo tape ukuthi sihlale still.
Wow.
Yazi umntana babathi hayi usasenenkaba. Ukahle since anenkaba azala izange iwe. Azange uwise wena. Isasene packs namanje. Why am I fucking packs? And that kind of packs ile inkulu phela yakho inekinemte. Ikaba
I don't know what to say to you.
I'm joking. No, I'm serious. Unenkaba, kahle kuna date, unenkaba. As umntana nojalo 3 days uwisile nge 3 days kahle. Namanje basayimela inkaba yakhe ki. Okay, utsamela inkaba, kahle. Umuntu travel kankaba. Family gathering wokhuluma kina malume wa family umengenkaba ipex alifihleki unokufaka isuthi ipex lenkaba yawazi la malume laba la malume laba Spain laba bathi sicela uzobonga umphakathi basathi sibonga beimoto ngana moto hlela ngana moto lo sibonga beimoto abafundisi mahalo kaPhakamisa no anti banathi hey inkaba yakho inkaba kaKadlego.
But no Shebile Parliament this week.
Yes.
Did you see that guy survived?
No, udela ngekaxosha manje. But the nice thing about Uncle Ndelebo I don't know what's wrong with the chairpersons of the parliament. Honorable Madisha ngithi uyazi magazine lapha nabelu vela iphuzela. Akana ndawo vela ngene. Umadisha ngathi la makhuluma la dozen. Ngifuna ukubadakela namhlanje. Akama Honorable Madisha you deaf athi yeah. Yakube. Honorable Madisha you deaf athi vele. Yeah, akahambe lona ka. Maqeda uMadisha akathuli usekhuluma nawe noMusi Mayimana uthi benjani boy. Ngibahlabile. Honorable Madisha please leave hima. Sakhuluma nomntwana la ngibahlabile. Uyazi nje kaMadisha ngathi carpet laba.
Oh ew.
Ichave kaMadisha ngathi ngaba ka exactly.
Wow. This guy is 35.
Ujolo uphethe Julius Rasterne. Ngathi ngeke usho ukuthi iphethe yakhe. Uyamuzwa bare kiphethe yakhe happy. Ayida kana thena ukuthi iphethe yenze every happy. Hawa ke Bob. Ujulius 35 cabanga uJulius lapho ujuna 35 jo intahlupa yona lamntwana ngathi una 13 uJulius labantwana laba lamntwana ukhula ngathi yazi ngibatla ubathwenya bombona khule phela bekana jumping kasele ibhulukwane mara yena bekanayo ngibatla jumping ngibatla uyibomba kiphantshishe uyiphethe ngathi intwana bena 35 happy birthday to the commander in chief uJulius ke bekuphetha izolo Ngabe bekangazi ngathi la khona imthusile ne ubaba ungena ngo6 ekseni emsebenzini full uJulius ngo5 past kimang
Ubatla
Bob offing Bob Mali ngathi ki Bob Mali yes.
Do you ever bump into these guys like Julius?
Yeah, I saw uban
Shivambo.
Yeah, Oprah Floyd. Ngiyamkhonza igama lakhe ngithi isibongo sakhe uthi Shivambo. Ama lips avela dumbo. Shivambo.
I wish I could see your face.
Ngomuntu umuntu Floyd Shivambo. Like ama lips akhe avela dumbo. Isibongo sakhe sinzima. Ngibengena East London last week. I went to East London last week. Thank you very much to everyone from East London that came out. We had fun, Joe. This is the thing. I was tired when I got here. And like I think I had little bit too much to drink. Like put a line.
Just a little bit.
Put a line on a program, but I think the way I slept on the pavement, Joe. Pavement
You're a brand.
I'm telling you what happened. This guy comes, Skumba. So long away. He's on the cab. Now I go into this guy's car. Let Barry Idala selling Dion, Joe. Look at every night.
And it's just the two of you in the car.
My dreams, he too.
All right.
Ngati yabona la. Nyoshona. Because the last time he was on Ngomale, there was a white boy that drowned. Azanga vukela mntwana. Yazi ngenzani aloka dlala Ngomale. I see you. I keep phone ngafaka ishumaya ngamane ngene ezulwini ngimamela ishumaya la ngimamela uselin Dion ngabeka ishumaya endlela. Shema yeah every night ngathi ngene ezulwini caba ungene ezulwini Abraham abheka na ucala ungene ezulwini unebhabhalazo ukwamela nini unebhabhalazo. That's why iBhayiklizi ihamba kuAbsa yilabantu begrant nabebhabhalazo iBhayiklizi bayijoin uAbsa bengazi ukuthi kuza igrant uyithola emshinini ithi ama-customer wethu athola 130 yazi i-absa ngeyi-1 nangeyi-2 yo ke kazi abantu ababili bonke yabuthi laba bayimele le mali imali abantwana bethu solanda imali abantwana bethu abantwana bethu why ukhothe nephini umuntu wakhona why iBarclays who are these people who
I can't even breathe anymore.
We thought we were investing in Absa. What is this? Who are these? Yeah, imali yethu grant imali yethu khumutho wabona lamantombazana egrant lawa imali 130 imali ni imali grant unabantu abayi-3 uyayikholela le mali awu uyakuhlala lokusini ungayiholele mali unamanga imali yethu and badoma ngithi unabantwana abayi-3 ufuna ukukhipha imali abantwana abayi-3 mara akazi ukuthi ungayikhipha collectively kuvele kube yi-306 120 le ngathabanga akhipha ikhadi alibuyisela lena ekanozipho pin codes athi manje i-HIV one sekashaya ama-bank charges akasaboni ufuna ukhipha 120 usele nga-116 rand athi 120 only 100 athi angeke sebadla imali zethu manje ngamane ngiyifola
Oh wow.
iBarclays like who are these mothers who and yazi la inakhona akekho umuntu ogezile leso sikhathi wonke umuntu embashile mane silani imali yethu kubhatla
Marotomo, it's oh wow. By the way, don't forget you can get the podcast after the show.
Leso sikhathi umuntu utete i1 uphethe i1 emzimbeni wakhe oyi1 umbambe ngesandla uzalanda imali yini
Can I tell people where they can find your stuff? Don't forget the podcast is there. After the show, you can get it on www.
Hayi not after the show bazakulimaza labantu sithola le ngabo 12 hayi manje kahleko uthe manje bayiphela show ubu kahleko la khona udawe isipono saka hayi ayithola manje bazayithola manje during the day.
I'm not doing the show again on a Friday. Kilabo fellow. Let's draw. Never again.
I'm ngingana makazi to draw athi hayi yabona mfana esikoleni bazongidrosh and cararish ngathi drosh and cararish lo muntu uhamba ngebenz athi mfana ngizongidrosh but then drosh and cararish.
Oh, by the way, later in the show as well, 180 Shuffle. Your song is coming up. Looking forward to that. It's you've chosen it. I think it's who sent it through?
Rush and Kararish.
I must think she's not even trying to work. From like 8. Just throw all the stuff away.
Ubaba ka Raush beka tshontsha ngizonixoxela up. Ngizonixoxela makuphela makuya medlines ungikhumbuze ngoRaush ne. Mara into enizoyenza nizongidrosh and Kararish.
There you go, Matopi. Thanks for the tweet. Hashtag 180 Shuffle. You chose the song, we played it. Adiva with Respect. 40 minutes past 8, 20 minutes to the top of the hour. What's up?
You know someone is being stabbed right now, guys. With these songs.
You are so dark. Where did that come from?
Okay, tweet us, David. If Adiva Respect Me plays, what happens, Joe? Call your elders, Joe. Call Pop.
You know, the studio, like I can't handle it today. Now it's been taken over. Comedians, Nicholas Ufihlile nje, just randomly. Like Nicholas Goliath, did you invite? Or like?
No, I don't know this guy. I don't know which Goliath is this one because there's a whole lot of Goliaths. This is the 7th one. I don't know which one.
This is the one that makes the bookings, Kumba. If you want to play at the club, this is the one.
We'll talk to him and he'll explain why he's here. But let's check in on traffic quickly. What up, Doug?
That's what it is.
What a random answer. That's what. Like, how does that sentence make sense?
It makes
what up, dog? That's what it is.
That's what it is.
All right, cool.
That's what it is.
The only thing that saves you is that jersey that you're wearing.
You know what? You see, if I'm wearing this, and Kumba's wearing that,
you know.
And then you know.
He's a lost cause already. We can't do anything about him. Okay, so you're in at 9. Best tea in the city. What are you serving us this morning?
All right, man. So today we're talking about social habits that should fall away as you get older. So hashtag social habits must fall, basically. And one of those things that Kumba must stop wearing that jersey.
I'll stop wearing this jersey
that'll be a good start.
The day Jazz comes to studio and give me it.
Catch him at 9. He's serving you the best tea in the city from 9 till 12. So now, Nicholas.
Yes, sir.
What do you want here? We already got one comedian. We don't need another one. Are you here to audition? What's your story?
I don't want to audition because Shame, I know Skumba is struggling now, so then we want to make sure that he keeps his job. So I don't want to take his job. We had to promote the BBC show that's coming out tonight, TFI Fridays, and we're doing the TFI Malteser Challenge today.
And what is this TFI challenge?
Basically what it is, you take a tape measure, you get yourself some Whispers or some Chuckles or any sort of puffed chocolate balls.
Okay.
You put the end of the tape measure. So you measure your friend, you see how tall they are, you measure their height, then you take that measurement, you put the end of the tape measure, the small little shiny part, put it into their mouth, and then from a height, you roll the chocolate balls down into their mouth, and you have to see how many balls you can get into your mouth at one time.
So let me understand this correctly. You're saying to me that you're going to roll balls, you're going to put balls in Skumba's mouth.
Yes, as many balls as he can fit in his mouth.
How many balls can you fit in your mouth, Skumba?
When last did you
Let's just say before anything, I'm straight, dog. I can put balls in my mouth any day, though.
But I think I've seen this because Ed Sheeran has done a similar challenge as well.
Justin Bieber, like U2, massive international performers have all been involved. It's all part of the TFI Friday show, which is coming on BBC Brit tonight, channel 120 on DSTV. Starts at 9 o'clock.
It's hosted by that guy, Chris Evans. He also does the new Top Gear guy.
Top Gear, yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's going to be launching, I think, in May as well.
Awesome.
So it's very interesting.
All right, let's put balls in Skumba's mouth.
Yeah, that's what he's
I love the fact that there are cameras here today, so this thing
There's
can be
cameras.
captured.
I like just to say, Coco, if I don't make it out of these balls, you know I love you, Coco.
Yeah, but with Skumba, we didn't measure his height. We just took the circumference of his waist, and then that's what we used.
Was that tape long enough for us?
Nicholas, you don't want to go there, Vandag.
Yeah, hey, I've already been a victim of this situation. So,
No.
okay, so he's got the tape in his mouth.
Yes. And now we've got to see how many balls he can get in his mouth in 15 seconds.
I must say, when I woke up this morning, nothing said to me that I'm going to be watching Skumba take balls into his mouth. So let's watch. By the way, don't forget the show is starting today, TFI Friday. It is going to be on BBC Brit. The channel is 120, channel 120.
Let's count down.
Okay, 3. Let's all do it. 2, 1, let's go. One ball down. Another following. He's got 2 balls in his mouth. Okay, didn't get in. There's the second ball. 3, 4, 5.
I need more balls.
Oh, wow. Wow, he needs more balls. You're loving this. Look at the smile on your face. You've got brown balls in your mouth and you're loving every minute. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Okay. Yeah!
That's a new record.
Naturally, Skumba would set the record for balls in his mouth. Well done. How do you feel?
I feel like there's balls in my mouth.
You look like you're used to this feeling, though. Like you've experienced it many times.
Who was holding the record before him?
It was Ntando Duma. She did 7 balls in her mouth. 19-year-old Shame. Very young, very beautiful.
Why are you putting balls in 19-year-olds' mouth? I'm a bit, yeah.
Let's just say there's a new world record.
Yeah.
I don't know about world record.
This thing's sweet, most. I've never had so many sweets in my mouth since I was at 1, Joe.
So wait, let's talk about the show really quickly.
Yeah.
Who's going to be interviewed on the show? I mean, what's the format of the show for somebody who hasn't seen the...
So the format of the show,
international
it's sort of talk show, sort of skit show, sort of entertainment. So what they do is they get a whole lot of international artists, performers, anybody, any sort of celebrity. Like I said, they've had Justin Bieber, they've had U2, they've had Ed Sheeran. And it's just a crazy show where they entertain. They've got drinks flowing, so the guys are having a couple of drinks, they're having a conversation, and it's just getting to know the guys, just being, just experiencing the people as they are, the real people. You don't want to always have that.
Can I warn you?
You can.
Don't have him there.
No. Why not?
People
but
are not-
Skumba is one of the funniest characters in the country right now.
But can you deal with this guy?
We love Skumba. The Goliaths, we love Skumba. He's our favorite.
With that being said, can I have water?
Nick, thanks for stopping by, bud.
Yeah, show starts tonight, BBC Brit, channel 120 on DSTV, 9 o'clock. Don't miss it.
Be sure to catch it. It's
crazy.
called TFI Friday. Yeah, he said 9 o'clock, 4th, which is today, and it's on BBC Brit, hosted by Chris Evans. I'm looking forward to it. I'll be tuned in for it.
Cool.
Also, Jele Chalete Rona, December. Last year, Monique was everywhere.
Because we need to last ngomale. That cuz usisibeyidudla. Ebanothando. Ngizostera seKaslani esidudla. Yavuka ekseni yathi, "Hey, umzwandile ungiphindile. Akalalanga endlini futhi." Umzwandile akalalanga endlini futhi. Yazi why? Ulele phezulu kwakhe akamtholi. ulele phezu kwamzwandi sondile cishe shona oplo ha uqalile ngalento zakhe futhi ubuyele etshwaleni.
Your lack of chill is unbelievable.
Umzandi lokuthi hey ngilelelana.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Fana kupheka umuntu akho makabe nomzimba makaphenduka uthi hey uzama ukungibulala. Khona manje there's a new law. It will be on the news now at 9 saying ukuthi umthetho towards amajita la bulala amamedi fana ukuqina. I like I'm 100% behind it. Mara nasebafazi na uqine. Hey siyabulawa kahle.
50-50 can you do that?
Kahle siyabulawa sithelelwa ama-alpirimi sishiswa ngamanzi sidlisa ikorobela. Yazi manje indoda udlisa ikorobela. Ikorobela beke bangidlisa. Ukubona manje ikorobela ugcina wenza into ezi-snacks. Ugcina wenza washing. Wenza washing what? Yini wena nyawansha. Nevo isakhe vele ithambo nyawansha. Udlile uzidlele futhi. Ikorobela abakaze bakhisa. Akona amakhona adlisa ikorobela phaya jo.
Or I can see maybe it did happen.
Ikorobela intswemo. Ikorobela inokukubamba uvuka ekseni uthi yazi ngikhale spring cleaning uthi imira kithi noma yini love noma yini iyazi ukuthi kwenzeni. Life sentence ikorobela katheko. Yo. Ikorobela ngikhale kulanda abantwana eCrunch yazi ngibuye ngaphekela. Wabona way out. Wabona Bakuthelele. And way out bakubiza nge-nickname noma kuphi. Cabanga ne family gathering wathi mama uhani lona. Hi njani? Hi hani kunjani bakubiza.
But answer
wonke umuntu kubiza hani cabanga wonke umuntu shopra hani namajita. Enkalakatha hola hani. Nengosi. Put honey. Bangshaya. No ngiyotshela ubuthani. No one respects you, Joe. If your name is Hani. On Thursday, out at Mid Lounge Comedy Nights, every second Thursday of the month.
Okay.
And then I'm off to Newcastle vandag, coming back on Sunday at the Tabi Experience Soweto Hotel. Sizobisida sibeke ntuanga mapagania amatamba wahlangane. Mangabe wahlangane. Sisters, you know what to do. I'm to interview.
Okay.
Wrong pass, ngizokufalla back.
Please call me.
Please call Kitches. I'm going to personal. Please call Kitches. I'm saying, hey, it's coming. No one is coming. Busy. Put high.
And then what I see, it will sell you that funeral plan.
Funeral plan. Yes, you mean about go mumromonda no Tolonyan. Ubona ngathi vele nyoshona. Ubheka uTolonyane kanjeka la madreds. uTolonyane ngala madreds.
Don't forget to catch the podcast later at about 12 according to Skumba. Oh, well, I'm out. Oh, yeah, I'm seeing you tomorrow for breakfast with Katlego between 6 and 10 a.m. Oh, yeah. By the way, tomorrow we've got Lona Maseko, top billing presenter, and she's going to come in and hang out with us for an hour or so. So that should be great. Are you going to come? Come on.
Newcastle, mina manje njengoba ngiphuma la Newcastle madadeni. Awusikayile inye hour mfethu.